a lot of you already know, and in case you can't tell by looking at us, we're twin sisters.
So in our office, every project is one or the other of our project, which means that what the client sees is, if it's my project, all of the communication is with me, all of the meetings are with me, and so I would be the person of responsibility for that project. But what you don't necessarily see is that we collaborate on the design process, and before a project gets drawn up, we will do an internal review so that we really bring the project up to the next level.
And for the construction drawings, which is the technical drawings, we work with each other to figure out the construction detailing, and then when we do site visits while the project's under construction, in addition to working with the contractor to figure out some of the issues that come up during construction, we also work with each other to figure that kind of stuff out too. And while it's under construction and we do these site visits, we come back to the office and we share with each other just how exciting it is and like what the project is up to, and we show each other photos of, oh, this is how cool it's coming out, stuff that we've worked out, and just like sharing that with each other.
And one of the things that Hope didn't mention with the construction drawings, by the person who did not do the construction drawing, the other person reviews it, so that adds a level of quality control to the work that goes out of our office. And then when we go visit a site to do that final visit and take photos of it, we both go, and by both of us going, we're able to see, like in real time and space, how the project turned out, what it is, and get the learnings from that. And so we both get the advantage of having the learning and the experience from all of our projects, so that we can bring that forward to our next projects.
And most people think that it's really cool that we're twins, and they typically are only working with one of us, and so they don't see all of the behind the scenes kind of things that happens here. So they don't even realize that what they're actually getting is two for the price of one.